Hello students, today we will do retirement of partner. Here we will try to understand calculation of new profit sharing ratio, calculation of gaining ratio and treatment of goodwill at the time of retirement of partner. See the first slide. Here we are given the general meaning of retirement of partner. A partner has right to retire from the firm after giving due notice. Now the one thing is this, a partner has a right to retire. So after retirement, a new partnership will come into existence. We know that this is known as reconstitution of partnership. So new partnership will come into existence between the remaining or continuing partners. Now, here see the formal meaning of retirement of partner. That is, when one or two more partners leaves or quit the firm due to old age, bad relation. These are the reasons. Reason can be any, but here we are given two reasons: due to old age and bad relationship with other partners, and the other remaining partners continue to do the business of the firm. It is known as retirement of a partner. See the example. There are four partners: Rashi, Akanksha, Bhumika, and Shimali, who are partners in a firm. But due to old age, Shimali wants to leave the firm. The other partners decide to allow her to leave the partnership. It means this is the case with when a partner retire with the consent of all other partners. So this is the case of retirement. Now, in nutshell, a partner can retire either as per the terms of the agreement or at his or her own will or with the consent of all partners. So, a partner can retire in any of the three ways. In next slide, we will see the calculation of new profit sharing ratio after the retirement of a partner. Here you can take up a very simple example. Suppose students, you three friends have gone to a restaurant for a food. वहाँ पर आपके एक फ्रेंड को इमरजेंसी कॉल आ जाती है एंड ही हैज़ टू लीव द पार्टी इन बिटवीन. नाउ द फूड विच वाज टू बी शेयर्ड बाय यू थ्री, अब वो कितने लोगों में बटेगा? एमंग द फूड टू बी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड एमंग यू थ्री कितने में बटेगा? दैट विल बी डिवाइडेड बिटवीन टू फ्रेंड्स. पहले हमारे पास तीन फ्रेंड्स थे, नाउ वी हैव टू फ्रेंड्स. तो द शेयर ऑफ फूड विच वॉज अर्लियर 1/3 ईच. तीन पार्टनर है तो 1/3 ईच हो गया, लेकिन अभी वो फूड कितने लोगों में बंटने वाला है? टू में, तो 1/2 ईच. सो दिस इज अ केस बिकॉज आपका एक फ्रेंड छोड़ गया अपना शेयर, तो उसका शेयर विल बी एक्वायर्ड बाय द रिमेनिंग फ्रेंड्स. तो फॉर्मूला क्या है कैलकुलेशन ऑफ न्यू प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो का? ओल्ड रेशियो विच इज ऑलरेडी देयर प्लस अक्वायर्ड शेयर फ्रॉम द आउटगोइंग पार्टनर. हियर सी द एग्जाम्पल. Madhu, Neha and Tina are partners sharing profits in the ratio 5:3:2. Calculate new profit sharing ratio. See how we will calculate new profit sharing ratio. For this we know the formula. Okay, first point, if Madhu leaves then new profit sharing ratio will be, we are left with Neha and Tina एंड नेहा और टीना का शेयर है 3:2. तो 5 को आपने हटा दिया, रिमेनिंग शेयर इज 3:2. एंड इफ नेहा रिटायर्स देन न्यू प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो बिटवीन मधु एंड टीना विल भी, हटा देंगे आप लोग नेहा को, तो रिमेनिंग शेयर कितना रहा? 5:2. सेम वे इफ टीना रिटायर, न्यू प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो बिटवीन मधु एंड नेहा विल बी 5:3. सो now you know the concept. Now see the another question. Alka, Harpreet and Shreya are partners sharing profit in the ratio of 3:2:1. Alka retires and her share is taken up by Harpreet and Shreya in the ratio of 3:2. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio. In this question, what's the difference? Here the continuing partner are taking up the share of retiree in a given ratio which is 3:2. Now see the calculations. Old profit sharing ratio between Alka, Harpreet and Shreya 3:2:1. सो इसको हमने प्रोपोर्शनेट किया तो इट कम्स टू 3/6:2/6:1/6. शेयर अक्वायर्ड बाय हरप्रीत, क्योंकि अलका ने रिटायरमेंट ले ली है तो शेयर अक्वायर्ड बाय हरप्रीत. किस रेशो में हरप्रीत एंड श्रेया आर टेकिंग अप द शेयर? इट इज गिवन द क्वेश्चन. द रेशो इज 3:2. सो the share of Alka, which is 3/6, will be divided in 3/5 and 2/5 ratio. So share acquired by Harpreet is 9/30 and share acquired by Shreya is 6/30. न्यू शेयर ओल्ड शेयर प्लस अक्वायर्ड शेयर, तो हरप्रीत का नया शेयर क्या आ गया 2/6 उसका ओल्ड शेयर प्लस 9/30 द अक्वायर्ड शेयर एंड आंसर इज 19/30. श्रेयाज न्यू शेयर 1/6 प्लस 6/30 इज इक्वल टू 11/30. तो आप इसको सॉल्व करेंगे तो यू विल गेट 11/30. सो न्यू प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो ऑफ हरप्रीत एंड Shreya is 19:11. Next, we come to the calculation of gaining ratio. We just know that when a partner retire, he left his share. So the share acquired by the remaining partner is known as gaining ratio. Gain or gaining ratio. Now we are here given three friends. Three partners are there. Ranjana, Sadhana, and Kamna are partners sharing profit in the ratio of 4:3:2. Ranjana retires. Sadhana and Kamna decided to share profits in future in the ratio of 5:3. Calculate the gaining ratio. Now, see the answer. Gaining share is equal to, firstly, see the formula. Gaining share is equal to new share minus old share. So, Sadhana's gaining share is equal to 5/8 is her new share. 5:3 means 5/8 minus old share कितना है साधना का? It is 3/9. तो 4:3:2 is equal to 3/9. So 5/8 minus 3/9, इसको आपने LCM लेकर के जब सॉल्व किया है तो इट कम्स टू 21/72. सेम वे कामना's gaining share will be calculated by using the formula and it comes to 11/72. तो gaining ratio between Sadhana and Kamna is 21:11. Now see the next slide. This slide is for accounting treatment of goodwill. The retiring partner is compensated for his or her share of goodwill and goodwill is adjusted through partner's capital account. The retiring partner's capital account is credited and with his or her share of goodwill and remaining partner's capital account is debited in their gaining ratio. See the journal entry. Firstly, we are given the entry for writing of if goodwill is already existing in the books of accounts. The entry will be all partners capital or current account debited to goodwill account. In first chapter we have already done that under what circumstances a partner's account capital account will be used and under what circumstances his current account will be used. So all partners capital to goodwill account. All partner means including the retiring partner and it is to be done in the old ratio. Second entry is for compensating outgoing partner's share of goodwill and entry is continuing partner account debit to outgoing partner current account or capital account and it is to be done in gaining ratio of the continuing partner account and outgoing partner share will be credited with his share of goodwill. It can also be written as gaining partner's capital or gainer to retiree or gaining partner's capital account debit to retiree partner's capital account, gaining partner in gaining ratio and retiree partner with his or her share of goodwill. For this, an example is taken up. Here we have three partners A, B and C. Ratio is 5:3:2. A retire and his share is taken up by B and C equally. Goodwill of the firm is rupees 60,000. Pass necessary journal entries. Goodwill of the firm is 60,000. So firstly calculate the share of A. A's share of goodwill. So it will be calculated as 60,000 into 5/10. So answer is 30,000 and B and C's gaining ratio will be calculated. There is no need to calculate actually in this question the gaining ratio since it's clearly mentioned in the question that his share is taken up by B and C equally. So equally means 1:1. तो 30,000 को हमने 1:1 रेशो में डिवाइड किया एंड इट कम्स टू 15,000. सो एंट्री इज बी's कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट 15,000 रुपीज, C's कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट 15,000 to A's capital account 30,000. Okay, let's see next slide. Here we are given another question. P, Q and R share profit in the ratio of 5:4:3. R retires and the new ratio is 5:3. Their new ratio is given here. So we have to calculate their gaining ratio by putting the formula we have done earlier, which is new ratio minus old ratio. So if firm's goodwill is given rupees 6,000, what will be the journal entry? So we have already done it. Entry is simple. P's capital account debit 1,000, Q's capital account debit 500 and to R's capital account 1,500. 1,500 you know students how it comes, that is by firm's goodwill 6,000 into R's share which is 3/12. Clear? Okay. Next slide. Here we are given another question, which is like A, B and C are partner. Their ratio is 6:4:5. Their capitals were A rupees 1 lakh, B rupees 80,000 and C rupees 60,000. On 1st April 2009, B retired and the new profit sharing ratio between A and C is 9:6. On B retirement, the goodwill of the firm was valued at 1,80,000. Showing your calculations clearly, pass necessary journal entry. Now see the entries. So you know how to pass these entry. So by doing this practice, you will be able to learn how to pass the entries. The entries are A's capital account debit 36,000, C's capital account debit 12,000, to B's capital account 48,000, and workings for B's share is given below, which comes to 48,000. Next is the time for recapitulation. What you have already learned. The first question is, what is meant by gaining ratio? Answer is given to you. Gaining ratio is the ratio in which the continuing and remaining partners gain or take over the profit share of retiree or deceased partner. The gaining ratio is new ratio minus old ratio. Next question, mention the circumstances in which gaining ratio is applied. तो gaining ratio कब हम लोगों ने यूज़ करना है? To calculate new share profit sharing ratio and to divide the retiree's share of goodwill among the remaining partner. Next question, what are the ways in which a partner can retire from a firm? Answer, with the consent of all other partners. Second, with an express agreement by all other partners. And third, by giving a written notice. Next is the question related to explain the treatment of goodwill at the time of retirement of a partner, and this treatment we have already understood with the help of many examples. Hope you understand it. See the answer and try to do it yourself. Next, the question is given for your self practice students. Try to do, और इसको आप आपस में फ्रेंड्स जो हैं इसका आंसर मैच करने की कोशिश करेंगे. क्वेश्चन इज क्वाइट सिंपल. Mahanta, Abhishek and Rabindra are partner sharing profit in ratio 5:3:2. Calculate new profit sharing ratio if Mahanta retire. सबसे पहले हमने यही वाला क्वेश्चन अटेम्प्ट किया था टीना का. तो इफ महंता रिटायर हमने क्या करना है, महंता को साइड में कर दे. रेशो कितनी है? 5:3:2. महंता का रेशो है 5, तो रिमेनिंग विल बी 3:2. तो अभिषेक और रविंद्रा की रेशो क्या रह गई? 3:2. सेम वे यू कैन ट्राई द अनदर 2 क्वेश्चंस कि इफ अभिषेक रिटायर्स and if Rabindra retires. Now we come to the last question. A, B, C are partners in the ratio 3:2:1. Goodwill appear in the books at rupee 24,000. B retires from firm and goodwill of the firm is valued at rupee 60,000. Here we are given two type of goodwill. One, goodwill appears, and another, goodwill valued. A and C decided to share future profit in the ratio of 3:2. Pass necessary journal entries. See the solution. Firstly, we have to calculate the gaining ratio by applying the formula new share minus old share. New share is 3/5 and old share of A is 3/6, and by solving this equation we will get 3/30. Same way we will get C's gain, which is 7/30, and their gaining ratio is 3:7. Now calculate B's share of goodwill, which is 60,000 into 2/6 is equal to 20,000. तो goodwill 60,000 is given to us, which is of firm, into 2/6 क्या है? B का अपना शेयर. तो उसके अकॉर्डिंग गुडविल B के हिस्से की आ गई है 20,000. तो जनरल एंट्री हमारे पास दो आएंगी. 1 for writing of existing goodwill. Entry will be all partners capital account to goodwill in their old profit sharing ratio. Entry is, here it is entry, A's capital account debit 12,000, B's capital account debit 8,000, C's capital account 4,000, to goodwill 24,000. And second entry is for what? Second entry we have already done, that is A's capital account debit, C's capital account debit to B's capital account. बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस में हमने ये एंट्री की है कि when the retiree gets his part of goodwill. तो A's capital 6,000, C's capital में हमने डाला 14,000. कैसे डाला इसे? By dividing 20,000 in their gaining ratio, and the gaining ratio in this question given to us is 3:7. Okay, clear? Hope you understand it very well. Thank you.